Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the work plan layout in our Moodle classes. So this is my dashboard, and today I am going to choose my VBC classroom and I am going to edit it and show it for you. The moment we enter into our VBC class or any class for the first time, this will be the layout. Certain things if we note, the week starts from 7th June, but for us it starts from 14th June as of now. So if I try to delete this week, actually I will not be able to do because it deletes only the last week. Let me show you. If I delete this week, 7th June remains the same, but the last week gets deleted. So in order to change this week settings, I go to administration and I choose edit settings. And in edit settings, I just change the course start date from 7th to 14th. And then I click save and display. So now my week starts from 14th. Though we begin the week on 16th, we will follow this method until and unless we get further instructions. So the first thing that we have to do is have course requirements. So here above the announcements we have a blank space. So, and we also see that there are two edits. We have to go and click the first edit, which says edit section. I click edit section, and here we see this is not editable. So I just click the custom, which allows me to edit. And then I add my details as course requirements. I go down, I save changes. Now if you see, we have gained a title. Under course requirements, we have a few things we need to add. I'm just going to give one example by adding syllabus. I would highly recommend all of us to create a folder in Google Drive specifying as Moodle and storing all our files in this area so that we can easily get a link and connect it with our Moodle course. So I need to add my syllabus to the course requirements. So I click add an activity or resource. From there I choose this option called URL. Now I give the title as syllabus, and then I need to give an external URL. So I go to my drive. This is civic education. My VBC is civic education. So I am going to get a link. While getting the link, we have to be very careful not to have this as restricted. We need to keep it open for Lady Doe College. So they will be a viewer. Copy link and give done. Now I go to Moodle and I will paste the link. After pasting the link, go and click this appearance tab and then choose the option in pop-up so that we will have this page as well as a new pop-up page with syllabus. So I'm clicking in pop-up. You can change the settings accordingly if you want, but I'm going to leave it as such. And then I'm going to save and return to close course. If you see here, I have my syllabus. When I click my syllabus, automatically my syllabus opens up in a pop-up page. So yes, we have created the basic requirement for this page, that is course requirements. So what are we going to do for our weekly work plan? It is our duty to prepare courses beforehand so that it will be very easy for us to just drop down things in this tab. So now first what I am going to do is I am going to edit this week. I'm not going to touch the week date because it will help us a lot. So in summary, what I am going to do is I am going to open my civic education syllabus and I will divide each topic accordingly every week wise. So my first main topic is political and cultural and religious legacy. I'm just copying it and I am pasting it in the summary page. So this will be my main heading. Under this heading, probably maybe I'll be able to cover ancient civilization alone in the first week because we also have EBT to keep. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. Ancient civilization. And I'm also, we can even paste this in the next line. And I'm going to specify that this course will take, or this lesson, not course, this lesson will take 1 online hour and 1 offline hour. And to spruce up things, if I want to, make things look better, then I can add an image here. But now I'm going to leave it as it is and I'm going to save changes. So if you see my first week, my first unit title is Political and Cultural and Religious Legacy. Under that topic, the first week will be on ancient civilization. So this is the topic or description that I have given for that particular week. Now I can add an activity or resource. To begin with, we will always go with EBT. So we can choose the quiz format and we can give the EBT. So we have our EBT, and then if we need to add any other activity or resource or a page, we can add it here. Or we have to, if we need to add a poll or a survey, if you want anything, you can add it here. If you want to add an assignment for that first class, you can add an assignment. So everything will be listed out here. And the same goes for second week. Same thing, you will edit it. You will have the same topic, political and cultural and religious legacy. But my second topic will be Indus Valley art and architecture. And festivals, music, dance, tradition, national leaders and principle. I can also create assignments for my weeks. Not only EBT, I can create assignments. If I am going to create an assignment for that particular day, then I will make a mention of it in the description. Here even we can make a mention saying that online 1 hour, in bracket you can add EBT. But since it is very much visible, we need not do that. But if you need to add as an assignment, then you can mention it here. Ancient civilization, online 1, offline 1, online assignment 1, or offline assignment 2 hours. we can specify it. So if we give the course description clearly, it will be easy. Let me show you my another course in which a few things have been added already. So this is my course ICT for teaching and learning. So this is my course. First you can see my course requirements, syllabus, my classroom information. My classroom information has details of its Google Classroom. If you see, if I click, immediately I can go to my Google Classroom. And then I have a link of my OER resources. It will take to my Google Drive file where we have the OER resources stored. And we can give any other announcements. So this is my first class, Technology Enhanced Teaching Methods. The portions that will be handled here are computer assisted language learning and blended learning. So online 1 hour, offline 2 hours. And this is the image that I've added a bit in the description to spruce up it. And then if you see here, my class really starts. So technology enhanced teaching methods, flipped classroom and transmedia storytelling. Again, it's online 1 hour, offline 2 hours. And I have created lessons for my 2 topics. So this is how we create work plans, so that everything is very transparent and every week is accounted for. Whenever we look at this particular type of display, everything becomes very clear for the teacher as well as the student, and we can set up boundaries when we can have assessments. And while we create a structured learning as such, even having assessments every week becomes possible, but always it becomes the discretion of the teacher to understand the knowledge of the students and have benchmark assignments or assessments. Thank you all. Thank you very much.